My name is Chris Ziobro, and I'm the Senior Director of Manufacturing and Supply at Apnimed, Inc. We're a company that's focused on developing a tablet solution for the treatment of obstructive sleep apnea. Right now, there are no tablet solutions out there on the market. We have one drug that we are looking to go commercial with at the beginning of next year, and we're working on our NDA now very diligently. But there are also a couple products in our pipeline that we've used Piramal for, and we've been very happy with the service from Piramal so far. You guys have just been very, very good partners. We initially started working with PPDS. They were very, very accommodating and very knowledgeable, and they worked with us very well. We have some formulators on our side that suggested steps in the process as we were making the formulation. They were very receptive, and a lot of very good dialogue back and forth on the best way to formulate our product. The knowledge that the team has is second to none. The cost of working at PPDS just blows everyone else out of the water. And then if there is a need to transfer over to the US, now that Piramal has the capabilities in Sellersville, they have a giant footprint there that they're just, I think, dying to invest money into to have a US presence.